Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. We were doing chapter number first, whose name is number system. And we have already covered a few topics, and today we will start from a topic that is operations on binary number. First, write the date and day. Date and day on the top of this topic. And the topic is operations on binary number. Now, what is the meaning of this topic? Means we will do operations by using a binary numbers operations like binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication. In this case, we will use the binary numbers, and there are two binary numbers, means 2 bits, 1 or 0. Okay. Now, first is under this subtopic is binary addition. Now, what is binary addition? Binary addition is similar to the addition of decimal numbers. Underline first line, students. Okay. It means we will do the addition of two or three binary, you can say you can do a binary addition with the help of two decimal numbers. Okay. When the value of addition exceeds the value 1, say 1011, then 1 is carried over to the left of the current position. Okay. Now what it means, if we add 10 or 11, then we will use a carry. Okay. And now what are the rules for adding two binary number? This is the main important thing, means you should know about the rules of adding the two binary digits. Now revise this table very carefully. Okay. We will take two values x and y, and we will add the two values x plus y. Okay. 0 plus 0 in case of binary addition is 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1 again. Okay. And in this rule, in case of this rule, do very carefully. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 10. We will write 0 and we will take 1 as carry. Okay. Now let us add the binary number, this one and this. Okay. We will add these two binary numbers. Now look at this example. There are two binary numbers. Now 1 plus 1 is 0. We will apply this rule, fourth rule. Okay. This is here, take first rule, second rule, third rule, and fourth rule. Okay. Follow this table. This is a very, very important table. Okay. Without this table, you can't do the binary addition. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 0, and here is 1. We will take carry. According to the rule number 4th, here will be a 1 carry. Okay. We will write the 0 and 1 will be carry. Now again, 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is again 0 and 1 carry. And here is already 1 carry. And again 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay. And 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. Okay. Now you can simply take like this. 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay. 1 carry. And again here is already a 1 more carry. You can add 1 here. Okay. Then you can say 1 is here, and extra this 1 carry will go to the next, to the left side. Okay. To the left. Okay. Now again 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. And this carry will add to the this carry. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay. This is the 10. Okay. 1 0 you can say. Or again here 1 carry we will add. Okay. And the 0 plus 1 is 1, and again this is carry. We write 1 here, and again carry go to the left side. Okay. Now 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 follow third rule is 1, and here is a carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry will move to the left side. Again, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. Okay, carry will move to left side. And 1 plus 1 is 0 and here will be a 1 carry. We will write the left side. Okay, this is the main process of the binary addition. Now next operation is binary subtraction. Now what is binary subtraction? In binary subtraction, underline this line, binary number of lower value is subtracted from the binary number of higher value. Okay, we will subtract lower value from the higher value. Okay, the table will explains the subtraction of digit y from x. Okay, you will subtract x, you will subtract y from x here. Okay, you will do like this. Okay, if y is greater than x, then 1 is borrowed from the next position. Okay, we will borrow in this case. Okay, and when the binary digit is 0, borrow 1 from the next most significant bit. Okay, we will take a borrow 1 from the most significant bit, then it will become 1 0. Now let's see the process. Okay, write 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1 like this. Okay, and now what is the first rule? 0 minus 0 is 0. This is a simple. And 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay, and but you will borrow 1. So in this case 1 0 minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 we already know 1. Okay, and in this case we will borrow this. Okay, 1. And now come to the third rule. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, no need to borrow in this case, because in the second rule we are doing a subtraction from 0 minus 1. Okay, we are doing subtraction 0 minus 1. So in this case we need to take a borrow, but in the third rule 1 is greater than 0, so that's why no need to take a borrow. Okay, in the third rule 1 minus 1 is 0. So second rule you have to keep in mind, this is a different rule. Now for example, let us subtract the binary number. Okay, now subtract the binary number this from this. Okay, now take example here. Now 0 minus 1, this is the second rule. 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay, but it will take a borrow, means it will take a 1 from the left side. It will borrow 1 from the left side. Okay, now it is already 0, so it will take borrow from this, and it is already 0, it will take borrow from 1. Okay, so it will become 0, and 1 will go to this, and again 1 will go to right, and it will now how it will how the borrow will reach to this side. Okay, this is the process. Okay, now 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, and now here is 1 0. Okay, minus 1 is 0, minus 1 again is 0. Okay, now here is 1 0, minus 1 is again 0, and here only 0 will left, and we will write the 0. Okay, now the this digit to the left side has started taking a borrow from this one, okay. And this 10 you can write 10. If we convert this binary number into decimal, then it will become 2, because we will multiply 0 with 2 raised to power 0. We have already done this convergence. You can watch my previous video, and we will multiply this 2 raised to power 1, and 2 raised to power 1 multiply with 1 is 2, and this will become 0, and we will get 2, okay. Now it means 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and you can also write this 2, okay. And you can also write 2, but this one take borrow from this, so it will remain 1, and it will take borrow from this, they here only remain 1, okay. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and only 0 is left. You can do this subtraction like this in a very easy way, okay. Now next is a binary multiplication. Now we will do a multiplication. Now what is a binary multiplication? Underline this word, okay, multiplication. You have to learn the spelling of this. Binary numbers are multiplied in the same manner as decimal number. It has a same process like decimal numbers. When two binary numbers are multiplied, for each digit of the second number, when we will do a multiplication of two binary numbers, then for each digit of the second number, the product of that digit of the first binary number is calculated. Now we will use our two binary numbers for doing a multiplication, and it is shifted leftward, and so that its rightmost digits line up with the digits in a second number that was used. The sum of all these partial products gives the result. Now, what is the whole process of this multiplication? Okay. Now, I will explain these lines in the form of rules here. Okay. Now, how we will do the multiplications, what is the whole process? Now, what is the whole process? We will take two binary numbers, x and y, and we will multiply x with y. Okay, now what is the process? Here is a table. Okay, 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, take like this, and 0 multiply 0 is 0, first rule. And second, if we multiply 0 with 1, simply learn like this. If we multiply any of the digit, whether it is decimal or binary, we will get the result 0. Okay, and next is third rule, multiply 1 with 0 is 0. In these three cases, we get the result 0. And in the fourth, 1 multiply 1 with will give the 1. Okay. Now let the example multiply this digit with this. Okay, we will do the multiplication. 1 multiply with 0 is 0, and then 1 multiply with 1 is 1. Okay, follow this table. Okay, and 1 multiply with 0 again 0, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. Okay, now this is, we have done the first multiplication. Now we will do the multiplication with the second digit. Okay, now we write the cross here in case of multiplication. 0 multiply with 0 0, and 0 with 1 again 0, and 0 with 0 again we will get 0, and 0 multiply with 1 is again 0. All we will get the 0 in this case. Okay, now the last third digit will do the multiplication like this. Now in case of third digit multiplication, we will write cross. In case of first, we will write cross 1, and then we will write cross 2 and 3 4, so on. Okay, now 1 multiply with 0 0, and 1 multiply 1 with 1, and 1 multiply with 0 again 0, and 1 multiply with 1 is 1. Now we have done the multiplication. Now we will add these numbers. Okay, 0, here is only a one digit, and we will write 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and here all are 0 0, and we will know 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0, and here we will use a carry. Okay, and Here 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, and only 1 is here, a right one. Okay, we will do the addition. We can use a binary addition method here. Okay, now your last topic is left, that is a binary division. How we will do the division in case of a binary number. Okay, now binary numbers are also divided in a manner similar to decimal number. We will do the division same as the like a decimal number. Division is done by the repeated process of, now underline this line, division is done by the repeated process of subtraction. Okay, here we will do a division by using the process of repeated process of subtraction. In binary division, the following rules. Okay, here are only two rules you have to learn. Okay, and rules are most important in this case, whether you are doing a binary addition, binary subtraction, binary division, or multiplication. Okay, now if we divide 0 by 1, we will get 0. If we do a division 1 by 1, it is natural that it will come 1. Okay, now for example, let us divide this by this. Okay, we will divide we will divide 1 1 0 1 1 by 1 0 1. Okay, now first, okay, now we 1 0 1 multiply apply with the 1. Okay, if we multiply with 1, then the same number will come 1 0 1. Okay, now do the subtraction here. Now 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay, for in this case we will take a borrow. It will become, here we will follow a process of binary subtraction. Here will also come like this. Okay, we already know 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, and we know the meaning of 1 0 is 2. Okay, now 2, from 2 we will take a 1 borrow. Okay, here will become 2 and here will remain 1. Okay, now okay, now you can see, now you can see again. Okay, now here will become a 10. Okay, here will become a 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 0, and here it means 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay, you can see a rule of binary subtraction. You can see the table, and we will take these two bits as well. Okay, now here is triple one. You can see here is triple one. Okay, now again, now see 1 1 1, again it will, we will divide this number by 0. Okay, we will divide this number by 0 1 0 1. Okay, if we will divide this number by 0, okay, no, here the 0 means is we are taking 2 digits. Okay, if we take the 1 digit, then there is a no problem. If we are taking a 2 digits, then we have to write 0 here. Okay, you have to write a 0 here. Okay, we are not dividing this number by 0. Keep in mind this step. Okay, don't make a mistake here. We will if we will take 2 digits here for division, then we will write 0 here. Okay, now we will divide by 1 here. Okay, 101 multiply with 1 is 101. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. Do the subtraction here, 1 here 0. Now remainder will be 1 0. Okay, now there are no digits, so we will stop the division here. Okay, now this is the remainder. Now do a practice of these kind of sums. Take any 2 digits and apply a binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication, or division on that 2 digits, and do a practice. Okay, practice is must in these kind of questions. Okay, and do a practice. This is your homework. Okay, and learn rules as well. Rules are very, very important. If you have a rules in your minds, then you can do these kind of sums very, 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 very easily. Okay, now thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy.